Today we are going to have a fun with letter E. Letter E. It sounds A. And it is the fifth letter of alphabet. Let's go out with letter E. See, there is an engine, an X, and an elephant. We are going to have a fun. We are going to sing a poem. Let's sing with me. E a engine, E a eggs, E a elephant, bent on legs. E a engine, E a eggs, E a elephant, bent on legs. Sing with me again. E a engine, E a eggs, E a elephant, bent on legs. Did you notice the sound of engine, eggs and elephant is E? Dear children, keep singing this poem with your friends and teacher.
Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting more education videos for you.